From the more recent photos shown now, you can see that the property has drastically changed compared to what it was before. If you guys haven't seen how it was like before, then you can watch last week's video. I'll leave the link in now. As you guys can see, things are looking really, really, really good. Your boy's happy.
You know what you're watching. DS Learning Finance. Whoa.
By the way, I've left some really good books in the short description box below. I recommend you guys at least read through it. See if there's maybe something that tickles your fancies. Those books specialize in stock market investment in particular. And you guys know how I love stock market investment. Oh, I love it. But yeah, as you guys can see, I am completely covered in paint. And do you know what's peak, yeah? I've got like work in 2 hours. But I've decided, I've just accepted my fate. Yeah, long sleeves all the way. So I think I've got one on my, well, I've got kind of like a mess, so I just can't shake people's hands. You guys can probably see like that. Yeah, it's not really looking good for me, is it? Anyway, I'm so happy about all the work we've done. We've spent tons of time, labor. I spent tons of time thinking, Dammy, what are you doing? Like, but in the long run, it's actually paid off, because right now, after doing up the property, of course, if we were to sell it, we would make 10k profit already, and that's looking really, really good for me. It's that is driving me to really finish this, because right now we're at that final push stage where the whole structure of the building has been done. Now it's just making it look pretty. So it's that stuff that isn't particularly my forte. I like to do the things behind the scene. I like to work on the things that you don't see, the things that keep the house going. That's what I like to do. But now it's just time to make the house look pretty. And even though it's very, very long, Lord knows it is long, yeah, but it's, as you guys can see, it's paying off in the long run. It's good news like this 10k profit. It's good news like the other stuff I'm about to mention, so keep watching. That really drives me to keep pushing, because this is when you need to literally keep going the most, when you're almost about to reach the finish line. You can see it. That's when you go the hardest, because you know once it's done, you're gonna be making passive income in the future. Now I'm going to show you guys some more footage of the property. So yeah, check it out. What's up, people? Yeah, it's Pete. You can see I've been painting a lot. Ain't no painter, man, but bam, yeah, it's made a difference. Check this out. Mind all the mess, okay? Ignore that. But it does look kind of good, doesn't it? Nearly done bathroom. Yep, that definitely passes the damn test. Nearly done kitchen. Yep. You guys thinking what I'm thinking? Yeah, money. Well, one thing though, it's looking like a jungle outside. Damn. Yeah, not much has changed there. But like I said, I definitely rate gardeners after this. Gardening ain't no joke, but yeah, at least the grass is growing where we need it to, ish. When it is obviously mowed down and everything's leveled down to level, it will look much better. But yeah, it's got potential, guys. And regarding some good news that I found out, one of them is that the rent has gone up a third time now. So the area is really popping. It's really thriving. There's a lot of people that are demanding for the property, and it's quite rare to find a 3-bedroom property compared to the other ones in Corby. That's why there's such a high demand of it. When you think of a family, a small little family, you think of obviously the husband and the wife, and then you think of 2 kids. So typically that would be a 3-bedroom household. So our sort of property is in high demand, and because of that, we've seen a £75 minimum PCM increase. So compared to the financials, the calculations that we did initially, we're earning £75 more now. Well, if we were to rent it out at that price, we would be earning £75 more. So all of that £75 each month gets put into account, and then obviously that account gets invested. So what we're doing now is that we're just basically on cloud nine, so we're trying to quickly finish up everything. Another piece of good information that we found is regarding the area in general. Around that area there's a lot of construction, and in particular they're building a shopping centre around that area, very, very close to it. I would say on average probably like a 10-minute walk, literally 2-3 minute drive away from the property. So it's very close, and give it 2-3 years time, that area, obviously the shopping centre is going to be done up, but the demand for that property is going to also be like exponentially increasing, which is a very good sign. And the third piece of good news that I've heard about this property is that we've already attracted some people. Yep, even in the state that you guys can see, yeah, you can see it was in a state. Okay, yeah, we've attracted tons of people there. I think for the first week that we put it up like that, obviously with no furniture, nothing, everything like ladders here and there, paintbrushes flying everywhere, like you can see it was a complete mess. And in the first week we had like 2 viewings, and one of them said that they were very, very interested. So it's looking good, guys. Yeah, and I'm really, really happy about it, because the money that I put in and the time, I need that investment to be successful, and so far it's proven to be. So I'm happy about that. And that's the end of my video, guys. Once the property is done up, which I reckon is going to be in 3 to 4 weeks time, I will do another video about it, show you guys some updated photos and some videos, just basically showing you, bragging about my property. Yeah. But anyway, in the time being, you guys know what to do. Stay tuned. I talk about stock market investment, property investment, and financial management to give you that consistency. I've got work now, guys. That's what I want to do. But before you guys can do whatever you're going to do, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share. DS Learning Finance. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Bye.